Well done for choosing to take this journey of wealth creation with us here at Centonomy. You're coming in for Module 1 and it's going to be awesome. If you're going on a journey, you have to know where you're starting. Because if you know where you're starting, then you can plot the direction towards your goal. Everyone asks me that question, what's the best investment? And my response is always the same, the one that matches your goal. Now, before we set those goals, we have to assess where are we right now. And so we're going to work on those basic principles in Module 1. Everyone thinks that Centonomy is all about budgeting. We'll spend maybe 15 minutes on a budget in this one because you already understand the principle. We just want to boost that principle to work towards your financial goals. So we'll talk about budgeting for sure. We'll also talk about a balance sheet which gives you a financial position where you are. But here's the difference now with Centonomy 101. We'll also talk about the wealth creation mindset. If you can't begin to see opportunities where others don't see them, you will not build wealth. So we'll spend the most time on the strategy and the mindset for wealth creation because you already have the tools. So see you in class. Come, and you can even bring friends along. Let's see if we can grow wealth together.